Welcome to Encapsulation and Collections. Today we'll be going over how to encapsulate a document and go over the positives and negatives of doing an encapsulation as well. For materials for encapsulating, first you'll need the actual document itself. For the sake of this demonstration, I'll be using printer paper so that I don't actually ruin a document. Next, I also have Mylar. Mylar is going to be used to protect the document so that it doesn't get ruined or dirty or anything like that. Next, we then have double-sided tape. You use 2 pieces of Mylar, so that's why. Unless we use scissors in case I need to shorten down the Mylar itself. Now, for the first step of encapsulation, you need to have Mylar in order to actually create the encapsulation or to act as the barrier. Right here, I have some Mylar that is wrapped up and is overall untouched right here. So this is what it should overall look like, and this is what you will be using for actually being able to encapsulate the document in question. As you can see, I have already put a piece of double-sided tape on the Mylar, and yeah, I know it is crooked, but this is what it's supposed to look like, and now I will put the rest of them on there. I will be checking the quality by rolling this 20-sided die, or also known as a D20. Unfortunately, after the roll, we got a 1. This means that the encapsulation has failed. For this demonstration, I will then show how to do an encapsulation correctly. Hooray, we got a 20 off the D20. That is a very good sign that the encapsulation was a success. Now, to compare and contrast these two encapsulations, this one would be the correct one, the correct way. This one's the wrong way. Now, the reason why this one's wrong is because not only is it completely encapsulated, but also the double-sided tape has also touched the document, which would ruin it. This one, on the other hand, is the correct one, since right around here there is a hole right over there. This is good for the document because any gases that leaks off of the document will then be able to escape, preventing the deterioration of said document. This one, once again, on the other hand, is completely encapsulated, completely enclosed. This prevents the gases from being released. So what I just showed was one method for encapsulation. There is another method that I will be showing you guys right now. To show off this other method of encapsulating, you will need 2 Mylar sheets that are pre-cut, or you have to cut them yourself, double-sided tape, scissors, some string, and a micro spatula. So these are the two styles of encapsulation. Both of them have their positives and negatives to encapsulating anything. The pros for the full encapsulation is it protects the document fully, and it's really hard for other things like water or oil to mark it up since it's completely encapsulated. However, the biggest downside is, one, the adhesive of this can leak onto the document and ruin it. And while there is a breathe hole right here, the space in between for the gases, it's not that big, but it's really good for what it does, especially for protecting the document from physical harm. On the other hand, for this more partial encapsulation, the pros to this is that there are a lot of breathe holes. In fact, the whole encapsulation is basically a breathe hole. It has string at the very bottom to prevent the adhesive from touching the actual document, and with these breathe holes, they also help, well, the document to breathe more. On the other hand though, a major negative is it's probably more prone to physical alterations or physical damage, such as water or anything else, due to the encapsulation actually opening up. So that is something to take as a consideration for the sake of encapsulating anything. This concludes Encapsulate and Collections. I hope everyone has learned something about encapsulation and is helpful in the near future.